Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy and taste ways and summertime coming and it's hot in the kitchen. A lot of people they don't want to use hot. And I'm going to make today rice salad. Very easy. I'm gonna show you what we need. Basically, guys, I'm gonna use some fresh vegetables, some chives, some red pepper, carrots, cucumber, red onion, some gherkins, tuna, some green bean, some black olives, corn, tomato, of course, rice. The water is already on. This is 300 grams of rice, and we boil, and we're gonna do this rice al dente. In the time I'm gonna put rice, cook rice, I'm start cut some vegetable. Rice in, this they already done, it's done. I'm going to cut some pepper. Hey, it's nice and cubes. Something like this, okay? Take your time, cut and chop all your vegetable, the carrot as well, the same. You don't have to be precise. It's, we cook just for family. We are not master chefs. Is it? Easy. Guys, chop everything and I wanna show you the next step. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends if you can, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. I'm going to cut all my veg and depend on how much rice you're gonna cook, you have to add the stuff you need. And plus, this is one way to do, but you can add anything you like, you can add prawns, you can add, I don't know, any, gonna be your salad, okay? See you when everything is ready and cut. And don't forget, rice gonna be nice al dente. When I'm gonna pour it in the water, I wanna do with some cold water. And now, guys, cold water. I'm gonna block the and we leave there to dry. Good, okay? Guys, this is all my veg, and now I wanna put just what I need. Maybe it's a lot, I don't know. What we need now is a nice bowl. Inside rice. Now this is very cold. Down, and we start. We add some tomatoes, green bean, some olives, cucumber. This is nice if you in the office for lunch, all the colleagues, they want, whoa, what is that delicious rice salad? This one, some onion, the gherkins, I love them. I don't know if I want add the cheese, but if you like, you can. This. Now what is left? Some tuna fillet. Just bear with your hands like that. Salt. Salt, I put just the salt in the water for rice. But always you have to check and adjust if you need. Now we need some black pepper. I like it. Some salt. A nice touch olive oil. I take your time now and mix everything. Oh, beautiful. You can add if you like some mayo, but I'm not really mayonnaise person, because I like more like that. No. Okay, fantastic. Fresh summer. And you can eat a nice in the oven. So one is yeah, he's done. Absolutely delicious. The chive with on the top, just like that. Another thing I like is some lemon zest. Guys, this is the Piero salad, rice salad. Look, absolutely stunning. And what can I say? Delicious. Guys, this is my salad, rice salad. Amazing. If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao.